Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel again. Wow, a lot of toys, superhero, avenger, and DC comics, and Nerf gun. Okay, let's review one by one. Wow, this is action figure the Joker. Whoa, the Joker versus Batman from DC comic. Wow, very cool. Okay, and this is this is action figure Wolverine. Wow, Wolverine versus Harley Quinn. Wow. Wow, Thanos versus Doctor Strange. Wow. Wow. Very cool. Wow, what is that? Whiz. Wow. Let's open. Whiz. Spiderman versus Shark.
Alright, let's see what you got.
Wow. Wow, very cool. Whoa, whiz. Wow, whiz. This is Nerf gun, Nerf zombie strike, and Star Wars. Wow, they are Thor, Carnage, Doctor Doom, and Black Panther. And now I will shoot with Nerf zombie strike and Star Wars. Okay. Carnage. Oh. Wow. Very cool. And I will shoot Thor. Wait. Wow, very cool. And now I will shoot with Star Wars. Doctor Doom. Whiz. Okay, next I will shoot Black Panther. Wow, very strong. Once more again. Whiz. Very strong Black Panther. Wow, very cool. Nerf zombie versus and Star Wars gun. Nice. Okay, wow. I'm Groot. Oh. Wahahaha, I am Groot. Don't forget subscribe this channel. Hehehehe. Whoa, Red Hulk versus Green Hulk. Wow.
And now, I'm stronger!
Wow, very nice. Okay, and this is action figure Iron Man cartoon. Oh. very nice. Wis. Wow, Spider-Man. Oh. Wow, Spider-Man versus Captain America. Wow. Very nice. Wait, this is action figure Aquaman. Wow. Ho 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 ho.
Thor?
No, I'm Aquaman.
You did not just take my cereal.
Aquaman. Don't forget subscribe this channel. Thank you. Wow, amazing. Hey. Okay, next. Oh, we have action figure Iron Man. Oh. Wow. Very nice. Wih, Scarlet Spider. Wow, Scarlet Spider. Wow. Scarlet Spider, wes, very cool. Okay, nice. Yay! And this is action figure. Whoa, Superman from DC comic. Wow. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.